was born on the day in a lightning ray. With honesty, I can say I know the secret way. I hear the voice every day, every day. I hear the voice every day. Rushing down the river with electric sails.
Electrical and incredible, unbreakable, far from miserable, like schizo, tacos, schizo, unusual invasion, UFO, phenomenon, philosophy that got angle with my bare hand. The devil me strangle, the jealousy thing me just dismantle.